अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। पीपीएससी में जो सोशल वेलफेयर और बैतुल माल की जॉब्स आई थी असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर की 21 सीट्स थी, तो उनके सोशियोलॉजी से रिलेटेड 100 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ आज की इस वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किए जाएंगे। इसके सिलेबस में टोटल 6 सब्जेक्ट्स आप लोगों ने प्रिपेयर करने हैं, जिसमें सोशियोलॉजी है, सोशल वर्क है, रूरल सोशियोलॉजी, जेंडर स्टडीज़, वुमेन स्टडीज़ और एंथ्रोपोलॉजी। सो आज हम सोशियोलॉजी के 100 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ पढ़ेंगे। स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोगों में से जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नोट्स चाहिए हों, जो 6 सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूडेड हैं इस पेपर में, तो व्हाट्सएप नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है, उस पर कॉन्टैक्ट करके आप नोट्स का सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। व्हाट्सएप पर ही सर आपको सैम्पल के साथ साथ पेमेंट डिटेल्स वगैरह भी प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। नोट्स में हर सब्जेक्ट की कुछ जो इम्पोर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं उनको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है सिंपल वर्ड्स में एग्जांपल के साथ, और उसके साथ ही हर सब्जेक्ट के जितने भी रेलेवेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं उनको वन लाइनर फॉर्म में कंपाइल किया गया है, जो आपको कंप्लीट तैयारी करने में हेल्पफुल होंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, द टर्म सोशियोलॉजी वाज कॉइन्ड बाय अगस्ते कॉम्टे इन द ईयर 1838। Auguste Comte is widely recognized as the father of sociology. The book Suicide 1897, which studied the breakdown of social integration, was written by Emile Durkheim. The concept of anomie, a state of normlessness, was introduced into sociology by Emile Durkheim. The famous statement, man is a social animal, was made by ancient philosopher Aristotle. Karl Marx classified society primarily on the basis of economic classes. The concept of the looking glass self to explain identity formation was developed by Charles Horton Cooley. Max Weber utilized the concept of Verstehen, which means empathetic understanding. The book Das Kapital was written by conflict theorist Karl Marx. Herbert Spencer popularized the theory of social Darwinism. The division of groups into primary group and secondary group was done by Charles Horton Cooley. The concept of in-group and out-group was introduced by William Graham Sumner. The structural functionalist perspective is most closely associated with Talcott Parsons. The term sociological imagination was coined by C. Wright Mills. Author of famous book The Protestant Ethic and Spirit of Capitalism is Max Weber. The concept of cultural lag, material culture changing faster than non-material culture, was introduced by William Ogburn. The distinction between manifest functions, intended, and latent functions, unintended, was made by Robert K. Milton. The concept of bourgeoisie and proletariat belongs to the sociological theory of Karl Marx. Gemeinschaft, community, and Gesellschaft, society, are conceptual tools developed by Ferdinand Tönnies. The theories of circulation of elites was given by Wilfredo Pareto. The author of Mind, Self and Society is the symbolic interactionist George Herbert Mead. Ibn Khaldun introduced the concept of asabiya, which translates into social cohesion or group solidarity. The book Muqaddimah was written by historical sociologist Ibn Khaldun. Concept of ethnocentrism, judging other cultures by one's own standards, was introduced by William Graham Sumner. The opposite of ethnocentrism, which values every culture on its own merits, is cultural relativism. The most basic, universal and primary institution of human society is the family. A marriage of one man to one woman at a time is called monogamy. The practice of marrying someone within one's own social group or caste is called endogamy. The practice of marrying someone outside one's own social group is called exogamy. Polyandry is a form of marriage where a woman has multiple husbands. Polygyny is a form of marriage where a man has multiple wives. The family system where authority is vested in the male or father figure is a patriarchal family. The family system where authority is vested in female or mother figure is called a matriarchal family. When a newly married couple establishes their own residence separate from both sets of parents is called neolocal residence. The lifelong process through which individuals learn the norms, values, and behaviors of their society is socialization. The primary and most influential agent of socialization in early childhood is family. Peer groups, schools, and mass media act as secondary agents of socialization. The shared products of human group, including physical objects, beliefs, values, and behaviors, define culture. Written rules of behavior that are formally enacted and enforced by political authority are called laws. Mores are social norms that carry strong moral significance. Folkways are social norms that dictate everyday customs and polite behavior. A deeply rooted social prohibition against a specific act like incest is called a taboo. A subculture whose values and norms sharply contradict and oppose those of the larger society is a counterculture. The internal conviction that one's own culture is superior to all other is termed ethnocentrism. The physical artifacts, technology, and architecture created by a society constitute its material culture. The structured ranking of entire groups of people that perpetuates unequal economic rewards and power is social stratification. The most rigid and closed system of social stratification, determined entirely by birth, is the caste system. An open system of stratification based primarily on economic position and achieved status is the class system. A status that is assigned to an individual at birth without regard to their talents or characteristics is an ascribed status. A social position that a person attains largely through their own efforts, choices, and merit is an achieved status. The movement of individuals or groups from one social position or class level to another is social mobility. Upward or downward movement within a person's own adult life is called intragenerational mobility. Social mobility that occurs across generations, for example, child versus parents, is called intergenerational mobility. The movement of an individual from one social position to another of the exact same rank is horizontal mobility. The change in social position to a different rank, either upward or downward, is vertical mobility. The formal and informal mechanisms by which society enforces conformity to its norms is social control. A smile, praise, and promotion used to encourage conformity are examples of positive sanctions. Imprisonments, fines, or social exclusion used to punish deviance are examples of negative sanctions. Behavior that violates the significant social norms of a group or society is defined as deviance. The theory stating that deviance occurs when a society does not provide the legitimate means to achieve cultural goals is Merton's strain theory. The theory that individuals learn deviance through frequent interaction with deviant peers is Sutherland's differential association theory. The theory that focuses on how individuals come to be identified and treated as deviants is labeling theory. Significant alterations over time in behavior patterns, cultural values, and social norms constitute social change. The shift of a population from rural areas to cities is called urbanization. Scientific study of human populations, including their size, composition, and distribution, is demography. Organized system of social services and institutions designed to aid individuals and group to attain satisfying standards of life is social welfare. Fundamental principle of social work that respects the client's right to make their own choices is self-determination. Social work method that deals directly with helping individuals on a one-on-one basis is social casework. The author of the classical book Social Diagnosis 1917, a cornerstone text for social casework, is Mary Richmond. The social work method that helps individuals resolve problems and achieve goals through group interactions is social group work. The method of social work aimed at improving the social and economic well-being of a geographic area or community is community organization. Democratic process of managing and directing a social welfare agency is called social welfare administration. Systematic study of social problems and social work methods to gather data and improve practice is social work research. Action taken to bring about institutional or legislative changes to solve large-scale social problems is social action. A condition that disrupts the smooth functioning of a society and is recognized by a significant number of people as needing correction is a social problem. The state of severe deprivation, where an individual lacks the basic necessities of life, food, clean water, shelter, is absolute poverty. Poverty measured by comparing an individual's economic condition to the average standard of living in their society is relative poverty. Unequal distribution of wealth, power, and prestige between men and women is gender stratification. Biological distinction between males and females is sex. Socially constructed roles, behaviors, and attributes that a society considers appropriate for men and women define gender. The term juvenile delinquency refers to illegal acts or crimes committed by minors or juveniles. Specialized court designed to handle cases involving underage offenders is the juvenile court. The correctional institution where juvenile delinquents are sent for rehabilitation is reformatory or borstal school. The conditional release of a prisoner before completing their full sentence under the supervision of an officer is parole. A sentencing option where an offender remains in the community under supervision instead of serving jail time is probation. In Pakistan, Zakat and Ushr Ordinance was promulgated in the year 1980. The premier regulatory and registration body for non-governmental welfare organizations in Punjab is the Punjab Social Welfare Department. UN Sustainable Development Goals consist of 17 goals. SDG Goal 1 specifically aims to achieve no poverty. SDG Goal 5 focuses exclusively on achieving gender equality. The primary data collection method involving face-to-face conversation between a social worker and a client is the interview. In research, a tentative, testable statement predicting the relationship between two or more variables is a hypothesis. A small-scale preliminary study conducted before the main large research project is called a pilot study. Sampling technique where every member of the population has an equal chance of selection, random sampling. Non-probability sampling technique where researcher selects samples based on easy accessibility is convenience sampling. The deep-rooted societal problem of physically, emotionally, or sexually harming a child is classified as child abuse. Exploitation of children through any form of work that deprives them of their childhood and schooling is child labor. Acts of violence committed against individuals based on their gender, disproportionately affecting women, is gender-based violence. A segment of society that experiences social isolation, discrimination, or systemic disadvantage is termed as marginalized group. Ultimate philosophy and primary goal of professional social work practice is social justice.